Why you're wasting time and how to stop. Wasting time is a common challenge that many people face in today's fast-paced world. There are various reasons why time can be wasted, and several strategies to help you stop wasting time and become more productive. Here are some common reasons for time wasting and tips to overcome them. 1. Lack of clear goals. Solution: set clear and specific goals. When you have a clear sense of what you want to achieve, you're more likely to stay focused and avoid distractions. 2. Procrastination. Solution: break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, working for a set time and taking short breaks, to maintain focus and avoid procrastination. 3. Distractions. Solution: identify common distractions, for example, smartphones, social media, and create a distraction-free work environment. Turn off notifications, use website blockers, and establish designated work times. 4. Lack of time management. Solution: implement time management techniques like creating to-do lists, setting priorities, and using time management apps to stay organized. 5. Multitasking. Solution: focus on one task at a time. Multitasking can lead to reduced productivity and mistakes. Complete one task before moving on to the next. 6. Overwhelming workload. Solution: delegate tasks when possible, seek help or support when needed, and prioritize tasks to tackle the most critical ones first. 7. Lack of motivation. Solution: find your sources of motivation. Remind yourself of your long-term goals, reward yourself for completing tasks, or find inspiration from others. 8. Poor planning. Solution: plan your day or week in advance. Set clear expectations for what you want to accomplish and allocate time for each task. 9. Perfectionism. Solution: aim for excellence, but understand that perfection is often unattainable. Set realistic standards to avoid overworking on tasks. 10. Lack of self-discipline. Solution: develop self-discipline through practice and habit building. Establish a routine and stick to it. Use positive reinforcement and accountability measures to stay on track. 11. Not taking breaks. Solution: take regular short breaks during work to recharge and avoid burnout. It can actually enhance productivity in the long run. 12. Fear of failure. Solution: embrace the possibility of failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is a natural part of growth and success. Remember that overcoming time-wasting habits often takes time and effort. It's important to be patient with yourself and continually work on improving your time management and productivity skills. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you, and don't be too hard on yourself if you occasionally slip into old habits. The key is to stay persistent and keep refining your approach to make the most of your time.